let's get started.
Actually, he did this. He's sorry for that because he thought you guys would laugh with that. And I just laughed.
Okay, now we're going to get started. I have a container and I'm just going to add in some shampoo in it. Oh, I'm gonna open this. It's really bad. See, I filled this container with some shampoo, like by opening it up, it just fell down here. So sorry for that. And after that, I'm just gonna add in some sugar. Ingredients. I said that we were using this spoon, but we're not. We're using the spoon which came along with this container. So I'm gonna add some sugar in it and mix. Whoop, here we go. So we need to mix. I'm gonna add a bit more. Just mix. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it right there. Now I'm just gonna mix with this spoon. Ooh, this is getting kind of weird. So we're just gonna mix it. So I think we just need to mix it. You can see. I can get the smell. I think we need a little bit more. I think some sugar just a little bit.
Okay, then we need more sugar.
More sugar.
Oh my god. It's actually getting messier than messy. Does that mean? Yes, the footballer of
Barcelona and Argentina.
yeah.
Okay, now we're mixing it. I think we need a little bit more shampoo because we added a little bit more. Like, I think so we do. So we're just gonna add a little more shampoo.
It's not actually so gluey goopy. Actually, I said goopy. What's in goopy? Oh yeah, it's in poop.
Hey, that's not good. So add some more of this. I think that's enough. Let's close it.
We actually give the Pantene shampoo, but you can give any type of shampoo if you
Clear
like.
shampoo.
Yes, like clear shampoo.
Now
With
mix.
soap or
I think it needs a little bit more sugar. Sorry for adding sugar and shampoo more, but you can add what you think is right. Now I'm just gonna mix. Oh, it looks so slimy. I think it's gonna go great. So mix and mix. It's
Now you can see it's kind of gluey goopy.
Yeah, I
Gluey goopy. Oh my god. No. Oh my. It's so stinky. Hey, it's. Oh my god. It's you can eat it actually because I eat sugar. So that means like.
What?
Hey guys, you got an Easter egg here. That's not a shampoo and a sugar. That's a booger.
Yeah, that's so.
Oh my
god. He's just joking. So you just have to mix it. You see?
It's
So
like
slimy.
a goopy
Yeah,
goopy.
and guys, we're just trying to we're trying to mix it. Like, we are just trying the slime, so we're just gonna I just can't stop mixing this thing. It's so cool. And I really can't stop
Why it's not so goopy like a
But,
booger?
ew, just stop saying bad stuff. Ooh.
It's being like Ronaldo, like Ronaldo.
And goofy. Oh, whatever. So
What, Mickey Mouse Goofy?
Goofy. Oh my god. Just keep quiet.
gosh.
My. OMG. You just keep quiet, will you? And so now we're just gonna close this dough, like close the slime.
Yellow.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, it's actually so yellow.
Yeah,
So we need to put it on the freezer, actually, isn't it?
yeah, just wait. I'm just gonna add.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my God! No!
Why are you running away?
Yeah. So now.
Okay, sorry.
Hey, so guys, we're just gonna put this in.
We're gonna put it in
the
a container.
fridge.
We have a container, so we're gonna put it on the fridge.
Or
Fridge. What you say, fridge or frizz, or what do you say?
I think we have to
And
put
also
it
a
in
freezer.
the freezer.
So, how many times we need to do this? I mean, how many days or months or weeks?
This
Or
only
years.
needs to stay in the freezer for like 2 hours. So we're gonna put this in the fridge or freezer for like 2 hours. Like, I think we're gonna put it in the freezer because that's gonna be better. So we're gonna put this in the freezer for 2 hours if you want to make this slime because it's really messy. Hey!
She got her new glasses, actually.
Oh, yeah. So this is going in the freezer for 2 hours. So see you guys in the next episode.
So we will be right back after the break. So bye. Bye.
Yeah, which means we're gonna make a part 2 video. So yeah, so let's keep this in the freezer for 2
Then
hours.
we will see
Yeah,
again.
and see you guys after 2 hours. And I really hope it gets squishy and slimy real soon.
You can see our Joker over here.
He makes his face. Okay, whatever. So see you guys after 2 hours.